Hi and welcome. Lisa here for Whimsy Stamps. Thanks for joining me today for another card video. So I'm pairing a few of the new spooktacular Halloween products with the amazing Slimline Film Strip Die. So let's get started by taking a look at a few of the products I'm using. To the left, you see the Slimline Film Strip Die. I have the brand new Build a Graveyard die set along with the Grave Epitaphs stamp set. And I'll be using a few of the pattern papers from the Haunted Paper Pack. Now, just a heads up, that Haunted Paper Pack is absolutely amazing, and I don't think it's going to last long. I recommend grabbing it while you can. If it's still available in a week, this girl's going to have her hands on it as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get started by doing some die cutting off screen. I went ahead and die cut the film strip twice out of gray cardstock. And then I ran the pattern paper through my die cut machine with the film strip. So what I did was I picked the pieces from the pattern paper that I wanted to cut, and I just cut them in squares large enough to run through the die machine with the slimline die so that I know everything's going to fit perfectly when I go to put this together. So here you can see I ran some more gray cardstock through the die cut machine with some of the dies from the Build a Graveyard die set. Now, I'm currently out of black cardstock, and what I did was just use that dark gray, so ink blending this to black would be so easy. So now that I have all the pieces ink blended black, we're going to go ahead and start putting this together. First, I'm going to stamp some details onto my headstone with the Grave Epitaphs stamp set, and I just added a crack and rest in peace, heat embossed it with white embossing powder. I'm adding black foam adhesive strips to the back of the bats so I can place them at the top of my card around the moon. I used mounting foam to the back of that headstone. Now, before I put the headstone down, I did run a piece of vellum through my die cut machine with one of the ghosts from the Boo Ghost die set that just recently released from Whimsy, and added that to the card as well. I thought it would be a fun touch. The gates that I'm going to add are from the new Build a Graveyard die set. And what I did was I ended up running the die through the machine several times to cut multiples of that one gate. Because it has such fine detail, there's no way I'm fighting with mounting foam to add dimension to this. So I just cut multiples, stacked them together with glue, and you're going to get the same result as if you were using mounting foam. You're still going to end up with that really nice dimension. So I'm adding that to the bottom of the card, and that's going to bring us to the end of this video. I really appreciate you joining me today. Be sure to click that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified of new content. Now, for more information on the products used, head over to the Whimsy Stamps website. Again, thanks for joining me and take care.